Hello, welcome back. I am back recording another video. It is again 12 o'clock in the morning and I'm just in a different schedule right now. Like
I sleep at 6 in the morning. I sleep for about 6 hours and then I wake up. I wake up like around 12. No one cares. Okay.
can you believe that I'm wearing tinted moisturizer? I'm wearing this one, the Sephora collection matte perfect tinted moisturizer, and it kind of looks like I'm wearing full coverage foundation, which is kind of crazy. Secret to that, girls, is you gotta conceal very well. So we're gonna do eyeshadow. We're gonna play with the Too Faced eyeshadow palette, and I'm thinking I want to use this little purple guy over here. Nothing crazy, nothing wild, and yeah.
Happy quarantine.
Everyone. So oh, I don't have a mirror. Start by going in with this eyeshadow. I mean, it's not even an eyeshadow, it's a blush. I'm gonna use this as my crease shade. Taking it on a little brush. I'm wearing yellow now because times are hard. So how's everyone doing? I'm doing great. I'm eating all my quarantine snacks. Can't stop eating. You can't even see it on camera, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna do more because since you can't see it on the camera, you gotta do more. That's the trick when you do makeup on camera. You gotta put a lot more than what you do in real life because it doesn't pick it up, And I'm recording on my phone. I'm not recording anything fancy. So, ni se ve. Okay. From this palette, I'm gonna take this eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. That's pretty much it. I was gonna do pink, but honestly, I don't look good with pink because, I don't know. I feel like it doesn't look good on my skin, so maybe I have to try it before I say anything. But I want to do purple. Purple's my favorite color. Still my favorite color. Don't even worry about it being over there because we're still gonna blend this. Gonna blend the crease area pretty much.
Man, this video is boring.
Something like that. I'm gonna do this side and I'll be right back. Back in business, what I did was I did the same thing that I did on the top. You gotta do to the bottom part, okay, boys and girls, please follow directions. Then with a smaller brush, I'm gonna take that same blush shadow, and pigment's really nice, gotta say, and they smell really, really good. I'm gonna go right into that inner crease. I don't think that's gonna do much, but whatever. But you know what? I'm actually gonna dip into that purple one again. And I'm gonna hit the outer corner. The smaller your brush is, the more concentration of color you get. The more fluffy your brush is, the more blended it looks. So if you want your color to look more intense, you take a smaller tapered brush. Este is from Luxie. This is the one that we got in where did we get this? Oh, we got this when we went to the makeup show. I was thinking it's so sad that this year I think we won't be able to go to any makeup shows because IMATS was coming up in April. I didn't have any plans to go because like we've been busy, and Erica and I didn't really discuss of us going this year because I think we went together last year, and it's always fun because like we get to buy like new stuff, new makeup and everything, just be surrounded around that area. But this year, we obviously everything is canceled, so I don't even know if that's gonna go on. Then in the month of May, I think it's the makeup show. Is it the makeup show? Yeah, the makeup show. And then also, I don't know if Comic-Con is gonna be canceled this year. Even though we're like a few months apart, you never know. So it's kind of sad. It's a little scary. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a shimmery eyeshadow. And I think I want to take one from this little palette, the same one for the Too Faced. Pero quiero one that's like really, really shimmery. I think I'm going to do this one. It's like silvery. So I'm going to take it on my finger because I feel like when it's like more glitter, it looks better when you grab it on your finger and then you just like tap it onto your eye. So I'm going to tap this just in the center. Y siempre hay que hacer la cara de pendeja. This one, I didn't really need like a glitter primer or like nothing. You just kind of like press it onto the lid, which is really good. That looks really, really good. Oh yeah. I need an eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this light one right here from my palette, with a little shadow brush, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. I always like when I put inner highlight corner because It just opens up my eyes. Well, that's not as bright as I wanted it to be. Oh, there we go. You know, I gotta confess something. The moment that I stopped recording my videos, I thought to myself and I was like, what was the point of doing the videos? Like, no one watches them. Then at the same time, and then someone told me, like, I'm not gonna say who it was, but someone told me, oh, like, ya se te pasó the whole thing. Ya se te pasó the whole thing of, like, doing videos. Like, para que te des cuenta that it's just, like, you know, something like un pasatiempo, that is not something serious. And I kind of felt bad because, like, it's something that I like to do. I like to do my makeup and I like to do videos, and it's just fun, you know what I mean? So, like, that person told me that, I was like, damn, I guess he's kind of right. He's kind of right. Like, what is the point of doing it, you know? I'm like, it's a hobby. It's something that I like to do, and I'm going to do it, even if it takes forever, you know? And there's, you know, there's one or two people who are watching these videos right now and who like them, who maybe can relate. Maybe something that I say is funny. Like, I know when I watch my YouTubers, especially Peter, I watch all his channels, Peter reviews stuff and the drama channel. Like, those channels I watch, and even when there's nothing to watch, like, I rewatch all his videos from, like, way back, because it like, they take me to another space, they make me laugh, and I just feel better. So, like, maybe that's, like, one of my videos could do something like that for someone else. So, like, why not? You know what I mean? Like, no me está quitando nada. This is just for fun. Yeah. So now that this eye look looks like this, I don't know if I should put eyeliner. Maybe I'll just put lashes and see how it looks. I'm gonna put these on. These are the House of Lashes, the collaboration for Sephora, and these my sister gave to me because she said that she bought a bunch of lashes and she never ends up wearing them anyway. So she's like, you wear them, so you take them. So she gave them to me. So thank you so much. These are expensive. I think these are like $20 or something. I don't got that kind of money to spend, bruh, on lashes, but I will take them for free. So she gave them to me for free. Se ven bonitas, look. Muy bonitas. Back with my eyelashes, this really did make a world of a difference. They look really nice, and yes, as I predicted, they are small for my eyes, but they look really good. I hope I glued them right, because ya tú sabes, a mí siempre me sale algo mal aquí. Last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow, which is not even the shimmer, is just like como un color like carnita, like a, you know, como de piel. And I'm gonna use that as my highlight on my brow bone. This really ties everything together. It just kind of like, I don't know, kind of lifts like your brow, you see? Like, it just looks cleaner than this side. Y como que makes it look like it's more lifted. That looks fantastic. Well, since I want a little bit more glitter on my face, I'm going to take this glitter highlight that I use for my cheekbones from ColourPop. This is one of the oldest collections that they came out when they came out with like loose highlighters. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this one, which is like a golden shimmery one, on my finger. There's no better tools than your fingers, okay, girls? So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put it like all over here. I've been seeing this trend where everyone is putting like glitter all over this part. Y se ve bonito. Yeah, you can see it. You can totally see it. You can see it. Stop playing me. You can see it. Now let me fix my long peluca. It's real, okay? Okay, so let me tell you, I don't want to cut my hair, right? And I was gonna go with my sister because my sister actually cuts hair. She's a hairdresser, professional, like, you know, con licencia y todo. I was gonna go get my hair cut, but like one day I was gonna go to a party, and then I was like, I really want my hair to have layers. So then what I did was I cut it myself, and I cut a little bit, like this little part, and now look, I look so stupid. At least it gave my hair a little bit of dimension because it was like so flat, because it's like heavy and it just falls flat and it's just like this. Then I just wanted it to be like, you know, more fluffy, but you know what? I don't even know if it does a difference, but hair will grow, and at least I cut it myself, right? But anyways, this is the look, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, whatever, all that stuff, whatever. Okay, bye.